a new modernist home by Manolev Associates Architects in Sydney's lower North Shore responds to its beautifully lush site, complementing the tranquil bangalow palm-dotted gardens through its intentionally quiet architecture. Manolev Associates seized the opportunity to work with such a site in one of Sydney's most prestigious neighborhoods and showcase how a contemporary luxury home could be designed to allow the natural vegetation and topography of the land to be the primary focus. The substantial slope of the site means that only 2 of the 3 stories can be clearly seen from street level. This play on compression and release is further emphasized by the north-south orientation that allows sunlight to permeate the home, enhancing the sense of volume still further. In addition to the generous glazed openings that provide views of the garden from every room, skylights provide a different experience of natural light. The interiors complement the focus on nature, with a pared-back palette of neutral tones and a strong materiality that is imbued by the prevalence of natural stone, which was sourced by Artedomus, Positano limestone, and a bush finish for the internal floors, and continues outside in a flamed finish, creating a sense of continuity between indoors and out.